Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. Let's check out the Echometer Touch 2 bat detector. Echometer Touch 2 is a system of software and hardware that runs on iOS and Android devices. The only differences between the Android and iOS versions are the connection point of the ultrasonic module and where to download the software. For a complete list of tested and compatible devices, please check the Wildlife Acoustics website. The first thing I'll do is go to the Apple App Store and download and install the Echometer Touch app. If you're running an Android device, you can download and install Echometer Touch from Google Play. When I launch the Echometer app, it asks me to connect the ultrasonic module. The ultrasonic module is used to detect ultrasonic bat calls and is connected to the charger port of the device. The Echometer app now recognizes that the ultrasonic module is connected. The first time the ultrasonic module is connected, a message may pop up indicating there is a firmware update available. If that happens, the firmware update can be downloaded and installed directly. The Echometer Touch 2 app uses a series of screens for its functions. The first screen we see is the live mode screen. This is where ultrasonic audio signals are monitored and recorded. I'll open the side menu from the upper left corner and choose the Auto ID selection screen. I'll enter my geographic location, and this will select references to the bat species typically found in this location. Echometer Touch 2 will then use these references to compare with any detected bats. Now I'll go back to the live mode screen. At this point, we're ready to monitor and record bats. Let's go outside. It's dusk and we've seen some bats flying around. Press the trigger record button and Echometer Touch 2 is ready to detect and identify bats. The speaker of the device is set to play back a real-time expanded version of the ultrasonic bat call. This lets us listen to the bat as it passes overhead. Okay, it looks like a bat has passed by and the Echometer Touch 2 has detected and recorded a call. You can see the visual representation of the call and you can hear the real-time expanded version of the actual audio signal. Echometer Touch 2 automatically applies Auto ID analysis. A window pops up which predicts the species that just flew by is most likely a silver-haired bat with a possible second choice of a big brown bat. It's quick and easy to get up and running to monitor and record bats with the Echometer Touch 2. And there's a great deal more that you can do with this powerful tool. You can save, view, and share your bat recordings. Text and audio notes can be created for individual recordings. There's a GPS view to display where the recordings have been made, and so much more. We'll cover all these details in the next series of videos. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, please contact Wildlife Acoustics Technical Support.